Hello and welcome, and good morning or good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you've begun your webinar. We're so glad you've joined the FRP Family Violence Prevention Toolkit webinar. My name is Sherry Sinclair, and I'm the Executive Director of the BC Association of Family Resource Programs, or FRP-BC. One of the important responsibilities of FRP-BC is education focused on the family support field and family resource program practitioners. One thing we want to mention at the beginning is please ensure that you have some folks to debrief with as you make your way through this material. It may trigger some challenging emotions, and it is a great idea to have your support network close at hand. So if you have any questions, please call or email, and we will do our very, very best to answer those. So best of everything in your continued education as you support healthy families and healthy communities. Thank you.